Welcome back to Math Solver 1117 where math become easy and fun. In today's video we will solve a very interesting Olympiad math problem that looks tricky, but when we solve this it will become easy and simple. Problem is t into t into t into t into t divided by t plus t plus t plus t equals 16, and you have to find the value of t. So how we will solve this question? First of all, we have t power 1 multiply by t power 1 multiply t power 1 multiply t power 1 and divided by 1t plus 1t plus 1t plus 1t equals 16. That means t multiply 4 times mean t power 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1, and this means we can write 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 into t. That equals 16. That gives t raised to power 4 and divided by 4 of t equals 16. Now here we will apply a rule on this, that t power 4 divided by 4 t power 1 equals 16, that a raised to power m divided by a raised to power n means a power m minus n. So we have t power 4 minus 1, and this will 16 multiply 4. We get t cube equals 64. That means t cube minus 64 equals 0. Now 64 is the cube of 4. So t cube minus 4 cube equals 0. Here we will apply the formula of a cube minus b cube, that is a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. That means we have t cube minus 4 cube, that equals t minus 4 into t square plus 4t plus, we will write 4t plus 4 square, that is 16. So we will write the values here. According to that, we get equal this t minus 4 into t square plus 4t plus 16, and this will equal 0. So we have two possibilities, t minus 4 equals 0 or t square plus 4t plus 16 equals 0. This gives t equals 4 and this gives t equals minus 4 plus minus b square means 4 square, minus 4 into a is 1 and c is 16 divided by 2. So this will be minus 4 plus minus 4 square is 16 and minus 16 into 4 is 64 divided by 2. So 64 minus 16, that gives 48. So we have minus 4 plus minus root minus 48 divided by 2. So this will be a complex root. So we will write this as equal minus 4 plus minus 48. We will do the LCM of 48 such that we get 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, then 4 threes are 12, 3 ones are 3. That means we have 4 root 3 iota divided by 2. Now we will write the final answer here, that we get t equals 4 and t equals minus 2 plus minus 2 root 3 iota. So we get this is the final answer. If you found this video helpful, subscribe mathsolver1117 and also press the bell icon to get notification for all upcoming videos. In the next video, we will solve another interesting Olympiad math problem. Best of luck for your exam. Stay tuned.